Welcome. In front of me I have a Spigen case for the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and today I'll just take a look at this, see how it fits the AirPods and how well it protects them and how well it actually holds on to the case itself. And I'm also gonna check out the MagSafe compatibility, as I have one laying around here just for that. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so that looks like that's all. We have a little bit of a carabiner right here. I do want to point out these are actually pretty nice feeling, and they feel relatively premium. Obviously they're not going to be good for climbing, but to clip it to your belt or something like that, it will do the job. So nice inclusion. I do have to say I like how they look like. Here we have a little bit of a, I believe, double-sided tape, right? Extra tape included, so there's one in here, and well, only in here at the top. Let's put that back in. Now I'm not going to peel that off. A little bit of this coloration happening at the top. And here we have the bottom. Now this is really rugged. So this, I believe, is plastic, so the front and the back, while the edges are rubberized. So there we go. Now putting on the case, it has cutouts for everything that you would expect. So charging and whatever we have right here, the light, which you can also see, and at the back we actually don't have anything for the back pairing button. So to pair it, you'll need to take it out. Now with that being said, this actually holds pretty well in here. And this goes on here. Now keep in mind that the top part will be more glued, so it will hold significantly better than it will hold for me, because I can take it off, obviously. But by default, once you remove that double-sided tape, it's just gonna hold significantly better. So there we go. As you can see, actually I have to say I dig the way this specific one looks like. It makes it more of like an actual case, making it look way more protected. And obviously if you get annoyed by the cheap plastic that Apple uses for the case itself, getting easily scratched up, this will nivellate that. Plastic might get scratched over time, but other than that, it is pretty rugged. And additionally, it is supposedly MagSafe, so let's see how that works. And it does work pretty well. So you can see it holds on. Holds on pretty well. Now if in a car, if you hit like a bump, it might come off. As you can see, upside down, it's not necessarily the strongest, but obviously anything like this or any accessories that you have maybe near your desk, those will obviously have no problem supporting this. It does magnetically attach to it, at least to some extent, which cannot be said same for all the other ones. For instance, like this one right here that I have. So that would be this one. So this one won't really hold all that well. It does hold to some extent, but nowhere near as good as this one. I haven't checked out the other ones, so I'll see that in the next videos. But yeah, this one actually seems to be pretty nice. I do like the aesthetics. It has everything protected. We are missing, like I mentioned before, the pairing button at the back, but that being said, it's not like you're gonna need that button very often. You just pair it once, and once you pair it, you can just pop it in and you're good to go. You won't need to repair it probably in any time soon. So there we go. And additionally, like I mentioned, we do have this carabiner that can attach right over here. So pretty nice case all in all. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.